Oh, I love a bit of Blake
You
7.
know where the loading bays are?
Yeah, he knows.
There's a ship loading at Bay 10.
Oh, he looks frightened. He knows what's coming.
Hide there until
Oh,
the
get
ship's
your
released
space
from the
coat on.
cranes.
Ah, no idea which way
Captain
around
will
it
collect
goes.
his clearance card.
He's going the right
then
way, but the
walk
wrong
through
arm.
the bay on his
It's
way back.
inside out. She's trying to get it
That's
round the
where
other
you
way.
can join him.
Oh, it's a disaster. He's
It's
down
only
again.
50
He's
yards
up.
to the ship.
What are you going to do? Over the shoulder.
Anyone sees you, the
Textbook.
chances are they'll think you're one of the crew.